Hello everybody, today I'll be unboxing the USB-C to Lightning cable for pretty much charging the newer, just basically charging iPhones on the new MacBooks that use USB Type-C to Lightning, or you could use it with a MacBook charger to make it even fast charging. But to get the unboxing, $25 Canadian. Pretty pricey, but it is what it is. So take the cable out. Just standard manual, the warranty, 1 year limited warranty, standard books, whatever you get. Put that to the side, and here it is. USB-C to Lightning. Just unwrap it quickly. And here we go. Lightning and USB Type-C. So just like newer iPhones, you could just plug it in. It fits right in as it should, and USB Type-C goes wherever it needs. So let's just do a standard comparison. Cable thickness between the default USB to it's the standard USB cable. This one that comes with all iPhones with the regular charging brick, 5 volts, but comparing it side to side, seems like they have the same thickness, pretty much the same thickness at the ends. The Lightning part looks pretty much exactly the same, except for the fact that I use this a bit more because it is brand new. So, yep, pretty much it. So now it's plugged in, and I could charge on the newer style MacBook. Charge, and of course I could use, instead of using the 5-volt power brick that they come with, I could use a higher voltage one, the one that comes with the MacBook charger, to charge my iPhone faster. So works as well. Pretty much, I guess, a bit thinner than the USB-C to USB-C cable found on the MacBook. Comes with the MacBook to charge it, but it still seems like a pretty good cable for reliable, faster charging, and seems like a pretty good product overall.